Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Docs to Google Drive. Now, let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna add your Google Docs to Google Drive, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three dots icon, this one, and after this, in here, you just click on the move. Okay, click on it, and in here you can log into your Google Drive, and you can move your documents to the folder at your drive, maybe on the test. You just click on the test, and after this, in here you just click on the move. Okay, and after this, in here you can go back and open your Google Drive. And after this, in here you can open your folder, your test folder, and finish. So that's how to add a Google Docs to Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.